Hello guys and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial we're gonna look at how to find winning products on TikTok. Initially, open the TikTok app on your mobile device, and on the top right corner you will find the search icon. Simply click on it and search for I want a refund. Now on the top right you need to adjust the filters. Simply click on the three dots and adjust the filters. Select the date posted to this week and hit on apply. You will see different accounts here. Simply follow the account and click on like. Another way you can do this is search for TikTok made me buy it. Do the same process. And this is how you find winning products on TikTok. If you refresh your TikTok page, then it will be full of these dropshipping accounts and you will find the winning products on TikTok. Hope you guys found the video informative, and for more videos like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.